Hello everyone and welcome back after a long winter break of my bike. And finally I got to get my motorcycle out of hibernation last weekend. And it started like I had just parked it about a few minutes ago. Well, here's just a small clip of when I started it up. uh, First time on April 14th. It has been parked for about 5 months now. Here, take a look.
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਚਿਰ ਬਾਅਦ ਮਾਰੀ ਫਿਲਮ 5 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਬਾਅਦ
Since my bike was parked for a long time, it's a good idea to check the tire pressure, and it was pretty low, 13 at the front and 18 was at the back. I like to keep around 28 at the front and 30 at the back, and I guess it depends on the kind of ride you like. And I use my car's 12-volt plug to power up the compressor and filled it up. So the reason for today's video is one of my friend, he also bought a Royal Enfield a few weeks back. This one here, that motorcycle, it came with the previous owner had already installed a clock in the center nut of the handlebar there. So I went on Amazon and looked for a few options, and here we are. Today we'll install that clock here. So this is what came with the package. That's clear plastic. It's two of them stick together just so you don't scratch your handlebars, and it stops the clock from slipping through. These are the temperature gauge thing. And that's the clock face. And this is what goes on that handlebar. And they gave us two Allen keys to tighten up. Sorry for the noise, it's too windy today out. So first, before installing it, you have to see like where you want it or where the clock will fit, and don't forget to put that plastic shield in there. It serves two purposes. One, it won't let your handlebar get scratched, and otherwise it will make sure that the clock will stay put where you put it. It won't let the clock move around. So same for the other one. tighten the screw up with the Allen key which they gave with it. Make sure it's like tight, otherwise once you start the motorcycle it's gonna vibrate and it will start moving around. And yeah, I'm gonna move around the plastic ties to make room for the clock there. I'm gonna sit on the top of the motorcycle just to see they are straight and they are where I want them to be. Yeah, if need be, you can just loosen up the screw a little bit and move it around to make sure it's facing towards you. Tighten up the screws and put the clock faces on, and before put it on, just set the time for the clock and make sure you have batteries in there for the time. The thermometer doesn't take any batteries, and make sure there are batteries in the clock, and it's flush with it's tight with the holder, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe. Y'all have a nice day.